Hey, this is Raymond with Tech Valley. Today we will show you how to configure the Zkteco or fingerprint scanner configuration. So this is how we will work. Is till we have to change our IP address and also is Ethernet, and also we have to mention or you have to put any particular name of our devices. So I input a name and another is a different IP address with a device. So now I'm clicking on the employee. Now we have to uh, configure. You have to input, enter all new data about our employees, like members or a student, whatever. So there is several options like account number, name, and gender, office title, nationality, title, privilege, date of birth, date of employment, mobile number, and card number, and also the home ad. So you can add more information, and also you can input your pictures as well. Also you can you can upload your fingerprint here. So now you're inputting the second one, now the third one. Yes, now we have to connect with us with this our data. This is AC manage, device manage. Synchronize time, and clear admin privilege. The exit is button. Again we are clicking. So it's our first data is city college. So it's already enroll or input few three data like employees name, number, and everything detail. So we have to classify the fingerprint manage and connect with this device and enroll. Now we need to input our data like our fingers scan, fingers print. So first one is right hand finger, and the second is left hand finger. Now the second data. So we need to input two fingers data here, like left and right hand finger. So now it's third one. It's enrolling. The right hand finger and then the left hand finger. This is how our device can recognize our fingers individually. So it's our parameter like scale. So now click on the download attendance log. Now again we click on employees. So we need to preplace our authorized device. Now again connected. And upload users information and FP. Now click on the report. So we need to mention that date. Click on the maintenance time tablet. So you can configure this device with your students, like schools or office working hours. Suppose your office started from 8 p.m. to 4 or 5 p.m. then you can configure with this timeline. So now I am going to configure this way. So it's a shift management data sheet. So for example our office closed on Friday, so I check out like Friday slot. Now it's another data sheet. So here are all the clock units. It's like 12 hours time schedule. It's employment, living on business, and asking for a living setup. So if your employees or students asking for requesting for a vacation or off or break, so you have to uh, configure in this way. So it's a different column like clock out, normal, real time, late, hourly, absent, time, work time, and a lot of things. So you have to configure whatever you want. Suppose if you click on this any block and then column, then you can choose whatever you want, like we are doing, like real time, clock out, clock in, hourly and late, absent, everything. So everything is here. Just do it by yourself, whatever you need. It's a very simple data sheet, very user friendly as well. And also I will upload more videos about this configuration, because I know it's very essential for and very useful for nowadays world, because most of the schools and college and university are also office commercial place using fingerprint device scanner. So I will upload more videos, and thanks for watching, and comments under this video if you have any confusion or any questions. I will try to answer you as far as quickly. So this is Raymond again from Tech Valley, and hope you enjoyed these videos. And feel free to comment below and like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.